Hi Peace Squad, what's poppin'? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm back with a recipe. Yes, we are going to be making chunky peanut butter. Yes, so this is a video you don't wanna miss out. So make sure you stay tuned till the end, like, subscribe, and share. So let me just be brief. So first step is you make sure you sort out your peanuts, and then you will now soak them in water or salty water. But for me, I had forgotten, so I just added it when I took them to the pan. So yeah, make sure you just soak it kidogo so that you can be able to cook well. Yeah, so there they are. I've already soaked them. Now I'll just transfer it to this pan over here. And also remember, we are just going to be pan frying, so there's no oil, or the only thing maybe there's just a few moisture, some little water that's gonna be there. Yeah, also to prevent burning and sticking. But do not flood your peanuts here with water. But obviously there'll be the remnant of water, which is expected. But the main idea here is you're going to be pan frying them without any cooking oil. So yeah, let's now head to the fire. So also note that you need to put it on low heat. Yes, put it to the lowest heat. Do not put a lot of heat because they're gonna burn before they even get to cook. So you'll just keep stir frying as you watch out. So I'll sprinkle some salt here because I had forgotten to like put some salt when I was soaking them. So I'll just add it in quickly. There it is. I've already added my salt. Yeah, so you'll keep repeating this process and I'll be showing you the results. You'll not a very big difference because right now they look a bit red and here they are, they're looking pale or purplish or brownish or whatever. So I hope you can be able to spot the difference. So make sure they'll give you a warning when they start making noise, but also you can also taste as you cook. So there they are. So let's get into the process. So we are making chunky peanut, so not that, we are making chunky peanut. So chunky peanut is the one which will be having some live peanuts or some residue. So I'll separate maybe a quarter. So here it is. I've already like crushed them. You can either crush them with a mortar and pestle or with a grinder or the one which comes with a 3-in-1 blender. So yeah, let me now transfer it and then now blend them, the first batch. The other quarter I will use it as I'll be approaching the end of the video. Yeah, we'll save it for later. So I've already started in blending. I was not able to show you because I was doing everything alone. So yeah, this is it. I was just in the process. I was continuing with the process of blending. Make sure it gives you a smooth finished product. So now I'll go and add in the remaining peanuts that I had grinded. Also note, for me, I love them very chunky. Like I really love tasting or biting whole ground nuts when I am eating the peanut butter with bread because it's usually tasty. So if you don't like the big chunks, you can just refine them into small. But for the main idea for them to be chunky, you make sure you try and put big particles but not too big. So in case you don't like the chunks I've used here, you can always use your preferred size. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and share.